Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got a box opening of my WatchGang Black membership watch for March 2021. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing that Rain Impaler that I just did in one of the other box openings. I actually really like this one out of the 3 watches I did in that box opening. This one might be the only keeper for me. Who knows? Also guys, I'm going to start selling off some of my watches, so if you want a chance at maybe something you've seen, I'll probably be doing that. You can follow along on follow my eBay store by clicking one of the links below. I haven't had anything posted yet, but it could be coming. Also guys, if you're looking to save some money on some watches, I've got promo codes and discount codes for Spinnaker, Aviate, and Ballast in the notes below. All right, so Corbière. I don't know, guys. Sometimes these names, I have names that I stumble over all the time for watches. This is one that I haven't heard of. If you're not familiar with WatchGang, it is a monthly subscription company for watches. The only tier level I still subscribe to is the black tier level. I actually really like the black tier. For the $99, I think you get some cool, interesting pieces. So far, I actually really like the look of this one. It's kind of cool. Couple different color variations on the dial. Corbière. Looks like that's the number on, sorry, I flipped that one away pretty quick. Looks like there is the model number, this one. I know nothing about the company or the watch itself. Let me pull off my Rain really quick and we'll throw this one on wrist. The other thing I thought was kind of funny, guys, I've been, like I said, I've been trying to focus and get caught up. Oh, still got stickers on. Get caught up on everything related to the channel, and I've been going back and answering or responding to comments, some that were even 3 years old. So if you're one of my normal subscribers and you see me responding to comments that you made months or even years ago, that's why. Trying to get caught up. It's good for me to respond to the comments, so it's something I should have been doing all along. There we go. You can move the inner ring. This watch does have some cool points about it. I actually really like that leather strap on this one. Corbière. I will definitely be doing some getting the info on this one and doing a follow-up. I've got a couple more box openings and then we will get into some follow-ups. And during some of the follow-ups might be when I tell you whether I'm going to put a watch up for sale or not. Plus I have others that just need to go up. So make sure you check out that my eBay page. Also, guys, if you're into cars, make sure you check out my other channel, Mileage Unknown. Always working on some old stuff over there. But on this channel, we do watches. And I actually really like this one. Be interesting to get all the specs on it and find out the movement. What do you guys think of this one? Let me know in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.